Ryan, all you do is show us $1 million homes. I want to know what I can buy for under $250,000. Well, hey, this is the video for you. We're broken out today. I just listed this property. It has been redone. It's move-in ready. Come on in and check it out with me. All right, here we go. I'm going to flip this around. Easy highway access. You don't have to worry about super long commute times. A lot of the neighborhoods in this price point are starting to have communal mailboxes. Not communal, but like, mailbox kiosks instead of your individual mailbox. But this is one of the last few suburbs that have their own mailbox. So that's amazing. You don't have to worry about that. Some people care, some people don't, but I figure that's worth pointing out. Great big front yard here. We're kind of on a cul-de-sac corner lot here. The backyard is absolutely massive, so wait till you see that. Let me go a little wider angle here. 2-car garage, obviously, it's absolutely massive. And this home is all one story, but you also don't have really any stairs. So if you have mobility issues or someone living with you that has mobility issues, this will be a great home for them. Really great plantings. It is fully fenced. There's a double gate on the other side. I can show you a little bit later, but really nice front patio here. Love the accent with the pavers instead of just all being concrete. Gives a little character. Great front porch though with the black shutters, but let's head on in here. Seller just put in brand new LVP throughout a good chunk of the house. You have a great fireplace here as well. And then a nice big picture windows in the front. Love the archway over there. Really massive kitchen. You got room for your bar stools here. Nice high ceilings. You got an archway on the other side as well, but we'll check out the bedrooms in a minute. But like I said, bar stools there. Coming in this way, here's your dining table nook area. And like I said, massive kitchen. Love the kind of coffee mocha colored cabinets. We've got Formica countertops and then gas range, dual like separated sink, not the farm style, which actually is really nice. I mean, you do have a dishwasher, but if you want to soak and also wash at the same time, it's nice to have the separation. But obviously lots of outlets on your countertops, which everybody wants. You know what? We're going to go out the back just because I'm right here. So why not? So like I said, massive yard. You have a really good side yard over there. And then this way, look at this. Absolutely massive. And then it obviously goes around the corner. And I'll show you that double gate right there. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Really nice. I mean, if you got kids or even dogs, I guess you don't have to have kids to enjoy a good backyard if you're into gardening or whatever it is that you like to do. You got lots of options. Let's head back on in here and keep going. So we're going to go to the right first. You have got 2 bedrooms here. You can see that LVP is continued into this bedroom. Really good size. You do have a nice built-in desk nook there. Really good sized closet. Pretty deep there. You do also have crown molding, which is nice in both bedrooms here. But here's your hall bath. Really nice. And then the people that lived here, they actually put bidets on the toilets. So if you're into that, obviously programmable thermostat. I like the windowsill ledge there, but again, crown molding, like I said. This bedroom does have carpet, but same closet as the other side. We'll head around, check out that other side. Again, this one's under $250,000, so if you're interested, reach out to me. But here's your laundry room. Really good size there. And then I'm going to show you the garage real fast since it's right here. You can see there's the flooring from the new floor that was put in. But 2-car garage. That door's going to be your utility closet with your water heater. Really good size. Now, a lot of homes built in this neighborhood, they didn't have the garage walls painted. It was just sheetrock and sheetrock tape, so it looked a bit unfinished. But this one's already been painted for you. You do have a security system. They don't have it hooked up, but I mean, it's here for you. And here is the Primary bedroom, love the pop ceiling in here. Obviously, a couple picture windows. And then here is that primary bath. Good size with the dual vanities. Obviously, you can see that bidet there on that toilet as well. And then a really nice full shower. And then coming through this way, I'll show you the closet. Has nice built-ins for your shoes. Nice walk-in. Really great, no complaints.
About a 2-minute walk down the street is this park, but there's also another park and a pond and walking trails.
A little bit about the area. Like I said, we are in Broken Arrow, but you're close to the turnpike. So if you need to commute to things like the movie theater, you know, all of your shopping needs, Walmart, Target, all that stuff, it's just a few minutes away. So it's a really great location. But if you're interested in this home, hey, reach out to me. In the description, I'll put a link to all the photos and more information as well. But if you have questions, feel free to comment below or just shoot me a text or something. But let me know what you think about this house in the comments.